So welding from the underside first, not too bad. There you go. Pretty good penetration. Unfortunately, a little bit of a blow through there. I'll try to patch that up. I want this bent in, and as you can see, it's proud of the floorboard. And then on the side, I want to be pushing this against the panel here from the other side. That'll have to be bent over slightly with a hammer, I think. I can hammer that into place. The floor has been welded, at least one part of the floor. We're just going to have a look at this. Here we are. Weld penetration not too bad. I've got to complete the inside welding by welding the flange onto the vertical. Do that tomorrow. Floor is pretty rusty, but we're going to treat it and use Por 15, and it should cover up quite nicely. That's the hope. Okay, floor now welded up. I forgot to turn the machine on when I was welding. Oh well, here we go. Welded up from the inside. This should fit here. It's nice and square up in this top corner. Okay, so the repair piece is stripped of paint, been treated with metal prep, Por 15 metal prep, and then heated just to make sure it's completely dry. Next stage is to paint this inside piece. This will be on the inside of the box section with zinc primer, and then we're ready to weld. Okay, so we're almost ready to box in this section. We've cut the repair piece more or less to shape. This strip down here is where we're going to plug weld certain pieces. This piece underneath is also going to be covered by the repair piece. The panel in, a little messy in places but not too bad. We'll fill with putty. Started to do the difficult underside here, and we'll finish that tomorrow. It's around here. This is in place. This one needs to be welded in, and then I can do the horizontal there. And the welds around the bottom here. Not very pretty but functional. The last thing to do is to cut a little fillet piece to fill in this area here, which I'm going to do using some spare parts from the old barbecue. Now here is the piece. I'm going to cut this down here, cut a piece roughly this shape. That'll fit into that top piece.